Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the AT&T SECURE Family App review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the AT&T SECURE Family App, it offers solid features like real-time location tracking, screen time limit, web app content filter, and the ability to pause internet access on a child's device. It supports multiple family members and devices under one plan, which make it convenient for parents who want a comprehensive tools for monitoring and managing kids' phone usage. On the flip side, many users report frustration with frequent glitches, VPN issues, inaccurate location data, and setup difficulties and subscription costs after free trial. Some say the app doesn't work reliably, which undercuts the primary purpose of the app. So, if your priority is keeping tabs on your kids' device activities and you want AT&T or willing to pay the subscription, the app is worth using. But if you demand perfect accuracy, seamless tracking, or a budget-friendly option, you might want to explore other alternatives. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.